Welcome everybody. This is a second series of my video on which I have previously explained the use of the Countif and the Sumif function depending on data validation that we have done here. Okay, so this Countif and Sumif function is something that will take only one criteria into condition. Okay, so let's check this out. This has taken only the color of the t-shirts into consideration when it is counting the total number of t-shirts and the total sales depending upon total sales of t-shirts depending upon the color that is chosen here. Okay, so now how do we go about and check to see if we can get a total count and a total sales of the t-shirts depending upon the color and let's say the size that we choose. So we have two criteria, the color of the t-shirt and the size of the t-shirt. Okay, so here is the sheet that I have already prepared here. Now we need to put in a data validation here for the color, and for the size we have to put in a data validation here. Now here I have a formula which will automatically update depending upon the color that is chosen here as well as the size that is chosen here. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how we can do that. So I'll just go ahead and select the whole column here, the data column for colors, paste here somewhere. Okay, done. Now let's see, let me choose the size again, paste it here. Okay, now we will remove the duplicates. Go to the data validation sheet, select the whole values here and apply remove duplicates. So we are left with only 6 unique values. Okay, for the size also I'll do the same. We are already on the data tab. We will remove duplicates here and we are left with 5 unique values. Okay, small, medium, XLS, XXL, large and XL. So we can, for the color, we can apply a data validation here. We'll go to the data tab again and put in a data validation. For this we will use a list and the color we choose from here. Okay, so we get something like a green t-shirt here. You see it's getting already updated here because it's referring to the cell, this cell. Okay, now for this one we'll put a data validation using a list again, and the source would be this range of cells. So I have, let's say, something like a small. So we get a total count of t-shirts, green t-shirts with a t-shirt size is small, and total sales of green t-shirt but the t-shirt size is also small. So we can hide the cells just by going here, pressing Ctrl 1, which opens up the format cell. Go to custom, general tab. We will go ahead and just put in 3 semicolons. Now this gets hidden. Okay, now here the formula that I have typed in to dynamically change this from green to blue to, let's say, yellow, or even if you change the size to, let's say, medium. Okay, so this is the formula that I have chosen here, and this is the concatenate formula using the ampersand sign. Total count of the size is the color is mentioned in the cell E2 here, N2, and again the color is here, and the size is mentioned in, or rather the size is mentioned in N3. Okay, So this is the formula that we are going to use. Now in the Countifs formula that you have seen here, we have used a simple Countifs function, but that is not the same format as we have to use in case of Countifs and Sumifs. Okay, if we have multiple criteria to choose from, let's go back to the original format and let's see, choose green and small. So we'll put in here a count ifs, because we are choosing from multiple criteria here. Now count ifs, the criteria range, and then the criteria. Okay, what is the criteria range? The first criteria range is this one. Control backspace to go back. And what is the criteria? First criteria, it should be this, be equal to green. Okay, now what is the second criteria range? Is the size of the t-shirt cells. Control backspace again. And what is the, it should be equal to this one. Okay, so once we have done that, we can close out the bracket and we get a count of 302 green t-shirts with small size is small. Let's do the same for the Sumifs to get the total sales of green t-shirts where the size is small. Okay, so what we'll do here is put in the Sumif formula, Sumifs. Now here the criteria thing changes a bit because we have to consider the sum range first. Now this was optional in case of a single criteria, but if we use a sum if function, but since we are using sum ifs function, the criteria sum range has to be selected first. Okay, we are choosing it. Control backspace to go back to where we have started. Now what is the criteria range? The criteria range is this one, which is the color. Okay, so we'll choose the color. Control backspace to go back to where we started. And what is the first criteria? The first criteria, it should be green, so we can choose directly from the cell. Okay, comma. Now what is the second criteria range? Second criteria range is the size, so we'll choose the column which contains the size here, comma, backspace to go back, control backspace to go back to where we started, and it's asking for the criteria. Now the second criteria size is small, so this is all that we need to do. Okay, we'll close out on the bracket and put in a, now here is what we get the results. Let me just copy paste this and put it somewhere where I can check the results if it is coming as true. I'll just go ahead and change this also and check whether it's true or not. Okay, so control shift and L to put in the filter here. We are choosing green and small, so we will choose the green t-shirts here and size is small. Okay, so here you see we have got, okay, let me format this for easier understanding. Let me format this in comma style and decrease the decimal. So you see we have got here 1142,319. Okay, 1142,319, and total count is 302. Let me go ahead and remove the okay, filters. So this is the formula we have here, 302 total count and 1142,319 is the total sales, t-shirt sales here. Let me just copy paste this formula for better understanding. So the first one was the Countifs formula. Let me just check. So this is the formula that I have used for Countifs. Then this is the formula that I have used for Sumifs. Okay. And this is dynamic, so if we go ahead and change this to, let's say, blue with small, we get a different sum, a total and the total cells. And let me see if I change it to XXL. Okay, so let's see again if this is true or not, if it is holding true or not. Copy pasting this value here. So 264 and 10 lakh 26,720. Reduce the decimal place here and put in a filter. Okay, so color is blue and size is XXL. Color is blue, size is XXL. Okay, so we are getting a total here of 111564. Just let me check once more. Blue, color is blue, and okay, size is XXL. $264 and okay, 1026720. Okay, so that is matching here, 1026760 and 264. So let me remove the filters again. So we are back to where we started. So blue t-shirts sold, size XXL, total sales value coming to 10,26,720, total count coming to 264, using the Countifs and the Sumifs functions. Thank you everybody for watching this video. To comment on my video and regarding further information, I will definitely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye. Take care.